Hello and welcome to ET Garage. Today we are in at the Raystown Lake in Pennsylvania, and it is the largest inland lake in Pennsylvania. It's man-made, and I'm not sure how big it is, but it winds. I don't know if you can see it good on here or not, but it winds all the way that way through those mountains for miles and miles and miles, just to get from here down to like the halfway point, winding through the back roads and stuff. I think it's like 45 minutes or something drive. And so I don't know how many miles this goes. If you do know, just put that down in the comment section. I don't know, but they built this dam. That's part of the dam, and you can't really see it, but over there is another big part of the dam, and hydroelectric station, and it's basically for flood control. And they built this dam in 1975. There was originally another dam they built back in the early 1900s, but that got wiped out or something. But they have all sorts of marinas. In a lake this size, they have all sorts of marinas. I think they have a boat tour called the Queen Mary, or the Big Mary, or the Good Mary, or something like that. But you can look it up online if you want. Raystown Lake in Pennsylvania. And this is a short video. I'm just took a ride out to the lake. I stopped in a few points overlooking the views. I'll leave maybe a little slideshow at the end, and that's all I got. I might head over to Lincoln Caverns, I think it is. I might head there. That'll be the next video if I do. But you know, it's not the destination, it's the drive. And I hope everybody has a great day, and God bless.